Sofa stains are tricky because they don't sit only on the surface. They soak into fabric or leather layers. The mistake most people make is rubbing aggressively, which spreads the stain deeper. The correct approach is identify the stain type. Use correct cleaner, blot, don't rub. 1. Act fast on fresh stains. Time matters. For fresh spills, immediately blot with dry cloth. Absorb liquid without rubbing. Avoid spreading the stain. The faster you react, the easier removal becomes. 2. Identify the type of stain. Different stains need different treatment. Food or drink, stains oil or grease stains, ink stains dirt or mud. Using the wrong cleaner can make the stain permanent. 3. Use mild cleaning solution. Fabric sofas. For most fabric sofas, mix mild detergent with warm water, apply using soft cloth, gently blot the stain, then wipe with clean damp cloth. Avoid soaking the fabric. 4. Baking soda for deep stains. For tougher stains or odor, sprinkle baking soda on stain area, leave for 15 to 30 minutes. Vacuum it afterward. Baking soda helps absorb oils and odors naturally. 5. Vinegar solution, natural cleaner. A simple mixture, vinegar plus water. Lightly spray on stain and blot. Good for food stains, light discoloration. Do not oversaturate fabric. 6. Cleaning leather sofas. For leather, use damp cloth, only apply mild soap solution. Carefully wipe dry immediately. Avoid harsh chemicals. They can damage leather texture. 7. Dry properly. After cleaning, moisture left in sofa can cause bad smell, mold, growth, fabric damage. Always air dry use. Fan if needed. Avoid direct sunlight for long periods. Strategic insight. Sofa stain removal depends on 3 factors: speed of action, correct cleaning method, material type. Most permanent stains happen not because they are difficult, but because they are handled incorrectly at the beginning. Final conclusion. To remove sofa stains effectively, act quickly. Blot, don't rub, use correct solution for fabric or leather. Dry properly.